Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
The T4-72 series fan blowers from Distant Machinery Services provide efficient ventilation for manufacturing plants, ensuring optimal air quality and temperature control for production processes. Performance curves, including airflow rates versus static pressure, are analyzed to match the specific ventilation needs of various manufacturing environments. Dynamic balancing ensures quiet and stable operation.
Decent machinery
Offers reliable logistics, comprehensive after-sales support, and on-site technical support, and on-site technical assistance to ensure proper installation and maintenance.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.